No man is without a reason to be thankful. If he lacks gratitude, the fault lies at least partly with himself. For what are we thankful for? For this, for the breath and the sunlight of life, for the love of the child, and the kiss on the lips of the mother and wife, for roses entwining, for bud and for bloom, and hopes that are shining like stars in the gloom. For what are we thankful for? For this, the strength and the patience of toil, for ever the dreams that are bliss, the hope of the seed in the soil, for souls that are whiter from day unto day, and lives that are brighter from going God's way. For what are we thankful for? For all, the sunlight, the shadow, the song. The blossoms may wither and fall, but the world moves in music along. For simple, sweet living, 'tis love that doth teach it, a heaven forgiving, and faith that can reach it.